Welcome to the Professional Nursing LPN to RN application process with the author of the program, Dr. Enns. The tentative schedule for the next cohort of Professional Nursing LPN to RN students is posted on the website. Please note that the attendance requirements are stringent and a maximum of 45 hours may be missed in the entire year-long program. 9 courses are provided in sequence, and because of the integrated non-redundant nature of this program, prior credit is not given for any other college-university courses. If you applied to the LPN to RN program previously and requested that your documents be kept on file, you can email the school for the returning applicant checklist to follow. You will also be provided with a completely separate application link to submit required documents. Please continue review as changes have occurred in the process and returning applicants will be held to the updated standard. An important change is that as of August 2026, all applicants must complete and submit the TEAS test, even those who applied previously. Make sure you actually read and follow directions for forms. All application documents must be received by FMTC by the application deadline posted on the website. The criteria have been updated to reflect the requirements for eligibility. Ask 3 questions to see if you are eligible. Do you have a current Florida LPN license? Do you have an IV therapy certificate showing completion of a 30-hour course? Do you have a current American Heart Association BLS certificate or e-card? The selection criteria will provide guidance for how we evaluate your information. The selection criteria section has been updated to reflect the new requirements and is found on the documents you downloaded. As you are preparing, gather the following documents and save them on your computer with the proper labels. Transcript from your practical nursing program. Transcript from your high school or GED. If applicable, transcripts from all other college or university courses or programs. Valid and unencumbered Florida LPN license. Valid American Heart Association Basic Life Support card or e-card. Copy of your IV therapy course certificate. TEAS results, now mandatory for all applicants. Your experience documentation form. Employment verification form. And 2 reference forms, one from a previous educator if you are able. Residency documents. Please see the website for TEAS study guide materials and sign up link. Upload your documents in the appropriate places in the online application and it's submitted by the deadline. Make sure your employer verification and reference forms are received at FMTC by the application deadline. See the website for dates. Please note that late or incomplete applications will not be considered. Those who are selected to move forward will be invited to sign up for a Stage 2 appointment. Do not call the school to ask for updates about Stage 2 unless there's a problem with your email address. The appointment criteria is separate from the selection criteria and is used to determine who will be invited to enroll in the program. See the updated appointment criteria that reflect the new requirements. If you are selected, sign up for an appointment time during one of the available spots. The window for appointments is posted on the website. You will be emailed a link to sign up for an appointment time if you qualify. Submit official transcripts of high school, practical nursing, and all other post-secondary education if you have not already done so. Check the separate requirements online if you have a foreign transcript. At the appointment, you will participate in a panel interview, complete an on-site handwritten essay, have a uniform fitting, and given further steps packet to prepare you for possible enrollment in the program. You also may need to provide residency documentation or may request an appointment with financial aid. After all admission requirements have been satisfied, the professional nursing admission criteria will be utilized for selection into the program. All admitting paperwork will become the property of the school and will not be returned. Criteria to determine the acceptance or declination of students is provided online. Emails will be sent as soon as possible after the close of interviews. Criteria to determine the acceptance or declination of students is provided online. If you are selected for the program, your acceptance will be emailed within 1 week of the close of interviews. You must RSVP within 48 hours of receiving your acceptance email to indicate your intent to enroll in and attend the program. Be prepared to sign paperwork through DocuSign and make payment for your application fee within 48 hours of notification in Focus, our student management system. Once this is completed, you will be provided with a course schedule and will receive a bill with your payment due date. Here are my favorite tips for success. Follow the instructions, label things correctly, use appropriate file formats, provide unexpired documents, take the TEAS test early, determine that you meet the minimum requirement. If not, take the TEAS test again. Submit the appropriate TEAS report. Make sure you get it right the first time. We wish you all the best and look forward to processing your application.